How to backup data on Google Pixel 9a. In this video, I will show you how to backup your Pixel 9a data, including Google Photos, contacts, and any other data like photos, videos, downloaded files, etc. So first of all, open the app drawer on your Pixel devices. Tap the Settings app. Now scroll down until you can see the system. Tap on a system. Again scroll down. Here you can find the option backup option. Tap on it. Now here you can see the backup by a Google One option. So make sure to click on this option to backup your data automatically. Here you can see the automatically backup yesterday. So at the bottom you can find the all backup details like application, photos and video backup. Here if you find the off option, tap on it. Make sure to click on this option to backup photos and video on your Google Pixel devices. So make sure to click on this option to automatically backup your photos and video you take on your Google Pixel device. SMS, MMS messages, call history, device setting, Google account data. Here you can also enable your Google account data like calendar, Google Contact, Doc, Drive, Gmail, Google News, Google TV, Keep Notes. So all the details available. Make sure to click on all these options to automatically backup data on your Pixel device. After that, tap on a backup now button to automatically turn on the backup on your Google Pixel 9a and other Pixel devices. You can also manage storage here to remove unnecessary data, and after that backup your phone data on your device. If you want to individually backup your contact, you can use the contact application also on your device. Like open the contact application on your phone to backup the contact application. Here you can see the contact synchronized last synchronized 6 hours ago. So tap on go to contact tab, tap on all contact. Here you can see the all contact on your Gmail account on this, or tap on a profile icon also. Go to contact settings. Here you can find the option default contact for new contact. So select your email ID or also select another contact to automatically synchronize your contact. So if you accidentally remove your account or lost your phone, you can easily backup your Google Photos, your contacts and all other information using this Gmail account. So make sure to click on this option to enable backup and restore the data on your Pixel 9a and other Pixel devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.